brake?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. I'd like to change my rear drum brake, my
My name is Per Nielsen, and I'm the owner and founder of Wrenchmongers. Well, I like the SR because it's a very simple, basic bike. It's a one-cylinder and a simple frame, and it's had the same design for 35 years. Our vision for the SR was to, keep it simple as it is already, of course, but maybe even more simple and more practical, so you can actually use it for more than just a road bike.
My name is Rijk Brun, and I work for Kedo Company in Hamburg as a developer. When I see this bike today finished, I think Wrenchmongers did a great job. It was great fun working with the Wrenchmongers together, and we had a lot of cool stuff going while this project went on.
I like to start this Yamaha. To start the bike, first I turn the ignition on, then I give it a strong kick to start.